Hi, my name is Ashley Johnson. I'm the Community Engagement and Partnerships Librarian here at the Vernon Area Library. In my role at the library, I help a lot of mission-based organizations learn about the resources that are available at the library, as well as answer any questions that they might have about challenges that they're facing or new opportunities that they're looking to jump into in the world of nonprofit leadership or even education. The library provides a lot of different services for nonprofits. We do things for nonprofit leaders, people that are working in administration at nonprofits, people who are considering becoming board members, people who are volunteers. We've really tried to build out an opportunity for anyone in the community at any point in their early adulthood on to find a way to engage in their community and participate in a philanthropic mission that really fulfills a passion for them and makes them feel really good.
Throughout the years, we have remained steadfast in our mission, which is to provide immediate resources to low-income children and their families who are living in crisis, and they have to live here in Lake County. We provide resources around the areas of education, housing stability, clothing. In addition to that, there's also extracurricular activities. We send kids to camp every summer, and we also do some medical needs.
Foundation Directory is one of our most popular tools that I talk about a lot at the library, and that is an in-house only tool. So the good thing is you don't have to have a Vernon Area Library card to do it. The not so good thing is that you have to be in-house to use it. But that means that you can bring your own device. You can sit in one of our spaces in the library or even outside in the library garden and access those tools on your own devices and export reports and take information with you into the places that you need to take it.
Our grant work and prospecting would be much different without the Foundation Directory. It allows us to efficiently identify potential funders who align with our mission through user-friendly queries that we can customize to our needs and our demographics. Without access to the Foundation Directory, we would spend much more time doing manual research, obviously trying to find potential funders. Often we run into incomplete and outdated information, which could lead to missing key funding opportunities. We are able to make smart, data-informed decisions because we go into our proposals with an understanding of their priorities, their giving history, the typical grant amount. So with that insight, our proposals, we're going into them with much more clarity than we would otherwise just doing sort of general internet research for potential funders. So overall, having access to this tool makes us more strategic, and it's an invaluable time saver for a small nonprofit like us. And it allows, it saves us the time so that we can focus more on our mission. The library staff is incredible, very knowledgeable, offered us a training session, and generally want to help support local organizations, and that comes through loud and clear.
Working with nonprofits is probably the biggest joy that I have in my job here at the Vernon Area Library. I've worked with teens who are interested in starting a nonprofit on their own. I've worked with new nonprofits who are just looking for ways to develop and bolster their board. And I've also worked with established nonprofits who are looking for creative ways to develop fundraising campaigns and even just diversify the way that they bring in funds. So there are so many different ways that I find joy in this work, and meeting new people every day is probably the best part about it.
Thank you for making such a valuable resource available to us. You're making it possible for us to be able to get out there and help children and families in need. And we can help more children in our community because of the additional funding. We're just so thankful. For Ashley and for Foundation Directory.